In the course of its military campaign, Israel has substantially restricted and for significant periods of time, including between 2 March and 18 May 2025, completely prevented the entry of aid into the Gaza Strip and its distribution to the Palestinian population, with catastrophic consequences for this population. The United Nations reported numerous attacks on school buildings and healthcare facilities in the Gaza Strip, operated by the United Nations and others, including school buildings that have been directly hit. The Secretary General of the United Nations has stated that between 7 October 2023 and 20 August 2025, at least 531 aid workers, including 366 United Nations personnel, 360 of whom were employed by UNRWA, have been killed in the Gaza Strip. In January 2024, Israeli authorities alleged that a number of UNRWA employees had been involved in the 7 October 2023 attacks, that UNRWA premises have been appropriated by Hamas for military purposes, and that UNRWA had long lost its neutrality. The United Nations immediately took steps to investigate these allegations. In this connection, the Court discusses the investigations conducted by the Office of Internal Oversight Services of the United Nations, to which I shall refer as the OIOS, and the investigation by an independent panel set up to assess whether UNRWA was taking all reasonable steps to ensure its neutrality.